It's a certified 2025 Mercedes-Benz GLA. GLA is everything you need in a compact SUV, like flexibility, fuel efficiency, and fun, and everything you want in a Mercedes-Benz. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, 4-wheel drive, streaming audio, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual zone climate control, auto-dimming rearview mirror, external memory control, doors and push-button start proximity key, voice-activated climate controls, front and rear parking sensors, and LED low and high beam headlights. Mercedes-Benz keeps setting the standard and driving forward. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,